Well, good afternoon, meteorologist Jesse Kelly here. Here's a look at your forecast to go into your Saturday and also for the next couple of days. Looking very hot throughout all of the regions. Seeing 93 degrees here across Shreveport, 92 degrees in Texarkana, 90 degrees in Marshall, 95 the current temperature in Tammany. There are a few clouds out there, which is not allowing for temperatures to be as hot as what they could be, but we will continue to see hotter temperatures over the next couple of days, all courtesy to this large area of high pressure center right over the plains, ridging right over our area, which is pretty much shutting down any kind of rain across our area. You can see a few thunderstorms to Mississippi, also in Alabama, and see some thunderstorms as well towards the west over the southwest, which they can really use some rain, where some of the areas here are dealing with lots of wildfires as well. And we also have a disturbance just off the Gulf of Mexico. We'll talk more about that over the next couple of minutes. But you can feels like temperatures out there into the 99 to about 105 range. So as a result, do have a heat advisory in place for the rest of today and also for your Sunday, as we could feel like temperatures for your Sunday anywhere between 105 to even 109. And the Weather Service did say maybe even some portions of our northeast Louisiana could feels like temperatures maybe at sometime over 110. So just humidity levels a little bit higher towards the east of us. So as for us, this is going to be a very hot afternoon for the next couple of days. So, Robins, for FUTURECAST shows, not really seeing any rain this afternoon, this evening. Tonight, we'll see temperatures only falling down to the middle to upper 70s, not much cooling. We'll see those winds out of the southwest, 5 to 10 miles an hour. As we head towards your Sunday, we will see a mixture of sun and clouds. Then we're going to see more sunshine than clouds. As a result, temperatures into the upper 90s. We could see a stray shower or two out there, but don't count on a lot of rain for your Sunday. Rain chances about 10% or less. And then we will see whatever rain do develop. That will begin to fizzle out by Sunday evening. Lows back down to the 70s for Monday morning. And we'll see more of the same for your Monday afternoon. Of a slightly better chance of a pop-up shower or two. But regardless, though, it's going to be very hot for both Sunday, Monday as well, too. So if you have to be out and about the next couple days, honestly, for the next week or so, make sure you're practicing heat safety, all because of this large area of high pressure. But there'll be some days where we will see a decent opportunity of rain and thunderstorms. That will come on Tuesday and Wednesday, as we will see this large area of high pressure nudge more towards north just a little bit, allow for a sea breeze to try to make its way to the region. That will initiate a few thunderstorms for Tuesday, also for Wednesday. And with also us being close enough to the ridge of high pressure, we could see a few thunderstorms, maybe on the strong side as well, too, just because of all the heat energy we have in place. And then high pressure builds back in as we go in the second half of the forecast, which means that's going to shut down any kind of rise in air. We're going to see sinking air. Of course, as air sinks, it heats up. We're going to see more hot temperatures as we head towards next weekend. So more upper 90s and temperatures near 100 degrees as the air temperature, and it feels like temperatures anywhere between 105 to 109. So again, it's going to be just very, very hot for the next 7 days. And we will see this pattern begin to break somewhat as we go into next week. But between now and next Monday and Tuesday, you can just expect lots and lots of heat. Now, back to the tropics. We're watching an area of low pressure just off the Florida coast, and the Hurricane Center is giving this about a 50, even 60% chance of development over the next 5 days. And the models are showing, this is just preliminary model information, just showing you that it's going to be hanging out here off the Atlantic coast of Florida for the next couple of days before it makes some progress, potentially towards the west. Will it play a role in our forecast? It's going to sometime next week. We'll see, but as of right now, too early to say what's going to happen with this feature, but just know that we're still in hurricane season. We're getting closer to the peak of hurricane season, which normally occurs during August and also into September. Your 7-day forecast, though, shows very hot temperatures, highs to the upper 90s. We will see temperatures at times around 100 degrees. Do not expect much cooling at night. We'll see lows only falling down to the middle to upper 70s. So make sure you're practicing heat safety. Make sure you're drinking lots of water. If you don't have to be outside, make sure you're just inside staying cool. Make sure you remember those pets, make sure they're staying cool as well, too. And always remember this. Make sure to protect your loved ones and your pets, but not keeping them inside in locked door in cars, because they can heat up very quickly. And again, just make sure you're staying hydrated. Hydration is very key for the next couple of days. They're expecting lots of heat and unfortunately no break in the heat. We may see a few thunderstorms around as we go towards Tuesday and Wednesday.